you see a role for IPCC to promote a stronger North-South cooperation and help us better, like the North, meaning the developed country and the developing country? How do you see that? How can IPCC promote such?
Yeah. Yes, thank you for your question, Adenike. So given this very large North-South divide in terms of responsibilities, those very big differences in responsibilities and also impacts, I think the IPCC has a responsibility to be first as inclusive as possible, because the IPCC needs to represent the concerns of all its members, and there are many more developing country members in IPCC than developed country members. So it's very important that the composition of the author teams are balanced and reflect the importance of developing countries in IPCC. So inclusivity is very important. The second aspect is that IPCC needs to be aware from the start of their report of the concerns existing in all countries, and particularly in developing countries. So it means that when the scoping, what is called the scoping of the report is done, writing the table of contents of the next report and so on, it's very important that the voice of those who are the most concerned, who are the most impacted, are really heard in the IPCC process. And then the third element is that the IPCC, when it has reports to rely upon, needs to be the global voice of that science and that knowledge about the range of impacts of climate change in the world, particularly in the most vulnerable countries, but also the global voice of the science of the solutions to the climate change problem, because there are many elements of solutions. We know basically what needs to be done to decarbonize the world economy. We know what needs to be done in terms of funding developing countries' efforts, both in terms of adaptation and mitigation.